Yep, that'll work.
It's a good alarm for the money. Just make sure you have it mounted at a decent spot. Alright. Because when someone tries to okay. Here my alarm for my bike. Here. here. Oh, nice. Okay. Let me see. Oh my God. Let's zoom. Oh my God. Oh, no. Oh my God. Wow. This is my brand new 2019 e-bike. As you can see, I have a little bit of everything on it. Lights, cameras, video, you name it. However, I wanted to show you the electronic alarm that is set right here. This thing is so easy to install and so easy to operate. It's a shame they only charge you $20 for it. Nonetheless, it works. Let's quickly take a look at how it works. I set the alarm with my alarm. That's letting me know that it is ready to go. Then there's a confirming beep to let me know it has been set. Now, anyone comes along and bumps into it, you get that sound. Again, they do that again, and it sets the alarm off. Come along, push the button, it stops it. The only thing I hate about it is the fact that it does not send me a text message to let me know my alarm is going off. Because I'm inside the store, in my office, in the garage, wherever I may be, and the thing is going off, and everybody else is having a fit about it, and I don't even know it until I return to the bike. So that's an important thing. Again, bump into it. First you got to set it, stupid. Set it. Get out of the sunlight. Then you hear the chirp. That lets you know it is ready to go. Someone comes along and bumps into it. Now that's the first thing you'll hear. Wind bump into it. Sets the alarm off. Turn it off. Wonderful. Awesome. However, like I said, it would be nice if it had a notification to your cell phone. Get one. For this price, it works, and it works well. Ta-ta.
There we go, right here. So if I go ahead and touch.
That's Tuesday on the next 2 o'clock.
Not bad, right? There we go. Lock it. Unlock it. Pretty good. Thank you.
Okay, here we have the wsdcam bike alarm. I've taken the back off so you can hear, even with the back off, you can barely hear the alarm. My husband put it on his bike, went to go see his dad, and he only had it on his bike for a day. And this is what, trying to lock it. That's, we can barely, you can't hear that if somebody were to mess with his bike. So I don't know. I mean, he had it well secured. He had it zip tied down. I don't know. I mean, this was a great unit. It was suggested. It came with the bike cover that we purchased. I love the great reviews I saw with it. Maybe just this one had a faulty in it somewhere. I'm not fully sure. I love the fact it has a really key fob. Really handy, really unique about it. Nothing too serious, not extra keys. I've really appreciated the style, sleek design of it. But after one ride with my husband on the bike, and he no longer has an alarm.
So for my e-bike, I decided to go with the wsdcam bike alarm. Yeah, at first glance, people don't, when I tell them I have an alarm, they can't really tell where it is at a glance until I let them know. I mounted it to the frame right down there. But yeah, comes with some double-sided tape and some zip ties. Tied it to the frame, there and there. Let's see if I can get a better angle. And yeah, so far so good. Like it's nice and loud. You arm it, give it a second. That second beep is gonna let you know it's ready to go. And then if we give it a little, just a little warning, a little more movement. Yep, sounds good. I like it. Nice little added safety measure for my bike, along with a couple locks, and we're good to go. Okay, hope you enjoyed.
Okay guys, this is going to be a quick little review on this alarm that I purchased from my motorcycle. I just first wanted to show you the size of this thing. It fits in my hand perfectly, and usually when I think of something small, I think that it's not going to be that loud, but I gave it a test try, and this thing hurts my ears. The packaging was pretty simple, came with everything I needed. It came with 2 humongous zip ties, which I'm going to use right now. It came with double-sided, I don't know, sticky pads, and even a screwdriver, which will be handy when I change the batteries. And this remote, it even lights up when you press certain buttons. It's really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on my bike, and I will test it out and show you guys. Alright, so with some extreme difficulty, I was able to zip tie the device in the back of my motorcycle to the frame in the back, and I am not afraid of it getting wet because it is waterproof. So we're going to test it right now. Alright, we're locking it now. The second beep indicates that it is armed and ready. Alright, now just with the simple bump, it goes off. And if someone, and that's even if you kick the tires or hit the vehicle or the motorcycle in any area of the bike. Now let's say you just moved it. Another warning, and you move it again. And I can hear this all around the neighborhood too, so it's extremely loud. Went on for about 30 seconds. That's only if the device is no longer disturbed. So if the individual were to continuously vibrate the motorcycle, the alarm will keep going off. But because it wasn't disturbed after it went off automatically after about 30 seconds. So I give this a positive review, and I recommend this to anybody for whether it be doors, windows, or definitely a motorcycle and a bike. Gives me a lot of peace of mind. Till next time.
It sucks out here. People steal bikes. So let's arm it. I just pressed that button to arm it. You hear that beep? You're gonna hear one more beep. Okay, it's armed now. I have it on one of the highest sensitivity levels. It's like it has 7 sensitivity levels. I have it on number 3. So let's see. Someone just walks over here. That's a warning. See, they can roll like a foot or so. That's not the highest volume it can go on, by the way. That's the lowest.
Alright, let's compare the noise of this alarm. One moment. Just give it 5 seconds to arm. Alright. Now let's compare the noise of this alarm. See, it beeps after the initial beep. So it has ready. So it's about the same noise. Yeah, so it's about the same noise with it being in the battery case. With it being outside, let's see real quick. Really should have thought this out more. Make this video shorter. My bad. But I'm not gonna do this again, so whatever. Right. Yep, way louder. It's probably on the highest. Yep, way too loud. It's pretty good, man. Alright, sorry for the crappy video, but whatever, you get the point.
Hello, this video is designed to show you how poorly the alarm, the wsdcam alarm works. I'm setting the alarm, and now I'm taking it and I'm rocking my vehicle. I get one beep, and then I rock it more and more and more and more and more and more and more, and then I finally get a second beep. I try to adjust the sensitivity, and according to the manual, and it doesn't do, there's no adjustment for the sensitivity on the one that I have. So if you want one, all I can say is don't buy it. It will work though if somebody goes up and just bangs it, then it tends to go off. But anyway, I'm going on a trip, and when I get back, I'm sending it back.
Cool, it just came in. Literally on the doorstep. I'll try to do this one-handed. What do we got here? Looks like a guitar picker. I don't know what that is. Neat. Remote. Pull the tab. Pull the tab. Yeah, let me just get to it. This is probably just like an alarm. That is loud. Wow, that's loud. So it's supposed to take 5 seconds. I guess that beeps right there. Yep, I remember seeing that on the video. Let's see how sensitive it is. Holy smoke. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, that's loud. That is really loud. What does this do? Man, look at that's crazy. It moves. That's how loud it is. Oh my gosh. that is one loud unit. I can't wait to actually put it in place and see how it works there. I'm sure it'll scare everybody away. So yeah, that's that. That's what you get. There's more stuff here. So you got zip ties, a screwdriver, I think. What is this guitar pick thing? I have no idea what that's for. It's probably to open up something, change batteries, and a couple of these little, the little cushiony sticky tab things. Oh, they're gone. Anyway, we'll have to find those. That probably goes on the back of this. You know, you can put on the back of this and then place it somewhere. Cool, it works. I mean, that would even work for your door. You don't even have to use it just for a bicycle. With those sticky tabs, you can put it on the door. If the door opens, if it rings off, that's pretty cool. I mean, I know all kinds of places where I could put this.